Tesla. Tesla is down 5% after Q3 deliveries fall short of 100,000. So, Tesla says it achieved record production of 96,155 vehicles in Q3 and record deliveries of about 97,000 vehicles. The deliveries count consistent with 17,000 S and X cars, 70 blah, 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 blah. Tesla is saying it's entering Q4 with an increase in its order backlog. So a lot of people want to get into Teslas. I live in Mooresville, North Carolina. I got a lot of people driving around in Teslas. I got a lot of people running around in Teslas. So we'll keep our eyes on that. Let's go take a look at the stock, which is Tesla. All right, right now the stock, again, is overvalued. This is another overvalued company, but look at that relative value. The stock has got good upside potential, relative safety above 1. What's hurting it right now is RT is below 1. Tesla is in a downtrend. The combination of relative value, relative safety, and relative timing makes it the second best stock by VST in the list. Look at that. Earnings growth rate, 50. They're growing their earnings by 50% a year. Woo! Man, that's huge. That is like big time huge. Let's go take a look at the graph. Right click, view the stock graph. And yeah, to look at that, Tesla was in a downtrend back here. It overcame that. Right now we're doing a lot more of a sideways mambo. Let's go to 3 months. A little bit of a sideways channel. The 3 and the 8 crossed today. Look how big Tesla dropped. Look at that gap down. But now from that gap down, the price is rebounded, moving higher than the open, which was right here at the bottom of the candle. But definitely a bearish time to be in Tesla. Probably wouldn't pull the trigger on it now. And not only that, over the last 3 months, we have a high sitting here back up in July 24th. Man, I'd really like to see if we can take out. Look at that. Nicely moved up before it moved sideways. Wouldn't touch Tesla just quite right now. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.